So let's talk about some three-letter words. I'm talking about HMO, PPO, HSA. These are acronyms that, unless you're in the insurance field or an insurance broker like me, you really don't know what they mean. Part of the retention section that we always talk about is offering different types of plans for your employees. It gives them some choice, and you as well as the employer. So we start talking about, and I'm going to throw some three-letter words in here, HMOs, PPOs, HSAs. The words that we use can be very confusing, and your employees are seeing that as well. So an HMO simply is a health maintenance organization. Kaiser Permanente is the granddaddy of all HMOs. What it means is that there's a narrower network of doctors, narrower network of physicians, and sometimes what we used to call a gatekeeper. Sometimes you have to have referrals to see specialists. That's an HMO. Anthem and United, both are carriers that offer HMOs as well. Theirs just work differently than the Kaiser Permanente model. When it comes to PPOs, PPOs are preferred provider organizations. These are physicians and hospitals who have contracted with the insurance carriers to offer discounts to you and your employees. For an example, your employee gets ill and is taken by paramedics to the nearest emergency room that can handle that trauma. That bill might be $90,000, what we call retail cost, but because they have a contract with Anthem, that cost is reduced from $90,000 to $16,000. That's the part that your employee is going to be paying off of, is that discounted amount. So PPOs are a really nice deal. When I have employers that have out-of-state employees, we always go with the PPOs because the contracts are bigger and the preferred provider organizations are larger outside the Denver metro area. HSA, another word that you're going to run into, health savings accounts. Well, people don't know what that is. A health savings account, qualified plan, and that's what people get mistaken. There are HMOs and PPOs that have HSA qualified options. You put one of those in place, your employee pays their premium every month, just like they would for an HMO plan or a PPO plan. But in addition to that, they can have a separate special savings account called the health savings account, where they can put in, depending on whether they're an individual or a family, a certain amount of dollars per year and take a tax write-off for that. It's like having an IRA for medical insurance. So we go in and we educate and we offer all these different options for you and your employees.